Welcome to Muscle Cars with Eric. This is Woodward Dream Cruise, Detroit's ultimate celebration of horsepower and history. From street legends to custom builds, you've got a front row seat. Let's fire it up. Everybody, it's Eric with Muscle Cars with Eric coming at you, and you'll never believe who I have standing next to me here. My new best friend in the whole wide world, Mr. Ken Lingenfelter. I'm going to have John Kay from ABC 7 News, and we are standing here in front of Papa Joe's, and you guys do a webcast together about the Dream Cruise.
We do.
So, briefly, what is a webcast? I mean, I don't know what a webcast is, but what did you guys talk about today? 30th anniversary?
Everything cars. I think it's safe to say it's two old men.
There you go.
Talking about cars.
And every time we look out the window, something's passing and we got a comment or two on it.
Isn't it? Well, look at this right here. See that skull?
Precisely. Exactly.
Absolutely.
Oh my word. I heard last year they had a van upside down rolling down the road. What's the most unusual car you guys have seen on here?
I would have to spend some time thinking about that.
Okay.
There's always something that one-ups something I've seen the last time.
That's pretty
it
cool.
doesn't matter what you choose, it's not going to be the right one, because as soon as you talk about that one car that just flipped you out, oh my gosh, look at that one.
Like we just saw.
There's a guy that has taken a trailer, a travel trailer,
Yeah?
and he's got it flipped backwards, and it's dragging a Ford Ranger, and it drives backwards down the road. So he sits in it.
He sits in a trailer.
That's just incredible. Then you talk about the van that's upside down,
Yeah.
completely upside down. You're like, oh,
That
okay,
is
well,
nuts.
That's better.
What about the big shopping cart from
Yeah, the shopping cart.
Are you serious, really?
Seriously.
Oh my God, it's crazy. The creativity these guys have is amazing. And you know, I mean, in Phoenix, we have a great car culture, but we don't have any event close to this. And the community out here is much tighter.
Well, Woodward Avenue was part of the whole history of it as well.
Yes,
And
yes,
Paved
yes.
road.
Yep. And
Yeah.
this is 30
Yeah, it
years
is
of
pretty
Dream
paved road,
Cruise.
yes. Yeah.
30 years of Dream Cruise.
Can you imagine? Oh my
16
word.
miles.
That's
Millions
nuts.
of people here. 30th year.
Yeah, I understand, what, 2 million people here this weekend at least? That's what I heard.
The number, but it's got to be huge, and it gets bigger every year.
That's crazy.
Yeah, if you don't have a hotel room, if you're from out of town and you want to get a hotel room,
Forget
you better
about it.
have it by February.
Really?
And you'll see vehicles here everywhere. You know, we talked earlier, we haven't seen one from Hawaii, but it would not remotely shock me if I did. You'll see Alaska, Missouri, the Corvette.
That's right, yeah.
From all over the country.
Really?
There was several years ago, there was a group from, I forget what city in California, outside LA, one of the burbs of LA. It was 30 Firebirds. And they drive out and they've got a support crew with trailers. So if they have any breakdowns anywhere, they fix them and they keep coming. And they come here for this. They cruise Woodward for
No
a week.
kidding.
And this isn't just today. You know, you come down here last Monday night and it was...
Well, I arrived here Sunday night,
Right.
and we did a few stops on the way. I actually was in Bruce Kimmon's car yesterday, that smoking hot Camaro, and then obviously, you know, Harold's car today, and it's just incredible what you see here. So
It just goes on and on and on.
it's so cool. Well, guys, I really appreciate meeting you both. Thank you so much for what you do. Mr. Lingenfelter, Ken,
Easy.
you're an awesome guy, man. I appreciate all the science, engineering, and your vision in the whole car production process, man. Thank you.
52 years worth. That's
No
how old
kidding.
we are, yeah.
Wow.
Pretty crazy.
That's cool.
Yeah.
All right. Only here on Muscle Cars with Eric you get to meet with legends like these guys. Stick around for more. Woodward Dream Cruise, Woodward Avenue, 30th anniversary, 2025. Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscle Cars with Eric.